From All-Star Case Breaks, we're doing Pro Set Hockey Memories. The hottest cards on ice. 2 autographs, 2 original buybacks. Here we go. Brian Lawton, Pro Set Memories. Rob Blake. First autograph, 3 of 3, Wendell Clark.
You're welcome.
And nice for the Canadians, Hall of Famer Guy Lafleur.
We do.
Nice. I think that was a pretty good box, Dylan. Hey, Dylan, these are, oh yeah, that's 9 of 10. I'm sorry. It was hard to see there. Dylan, I'm probably going to ship this in 2 separate shipments because these are so heavy. So